This is getting complicated. If I can keep Damien focused on that hard drive, I can find Nikki. He'll slip up. I know Damien. I have to be patient. And right now, I need bedbug.
I read the news today. Something about a high-speed chase near Parker Square. Had all the hallmarks of Aiden Pierce.
Are you with Nikki?
Of course. We read it together and I highlighted all your signature moves. She was quite alarmed. She doesn't seem to know you like I do.
Just get her on the phone.
Now. The IP address.
Yeah. There's something inside Rossi Fremont, some kind of small server hidden behind a locked door. And an army of gangbangers.
Now you understand why I need your help. Have you found a way in?
I'm working on it. Let me talk to Nikki.
Was that so painful?
Aiden.
Hey. We're getting close. You'll be home soon.
What's going on? This guy talks like you two are friends.
We're not friends. Not anymore. Nikki, just don't listen to his bullshit.
You afraid he'll give up your secrets?
I got no secrets.
Seriously, Aiden? You expect me to believe that I'm your sister?
Well, shouldn't my sister be cutting me a little slack?
Really? Oh, because I'm being held by your friend and you need a little slack.
Well, it sounds worse when you say it like that.
Aw. Have I hurt your feelings? I forget what a sensitive boy you are.
You know me. Heart on my sleeve.
Fun's over, kids. I hope your plan's a good one. Nikki does too.
memories, money to infinity. I'm willing to die if it means I kill my enemies. Got no...
I'm taking a gamble with Bedbug, but I have a hunch he's my perfect target. He doesn't have much, has a lot to lose, easily intimidated, and ambitious, but lazy. All right, start with his home, tap his cell phone, just record everything he says.
Never look nice like a clown with a knife. Haters turn to memories, money to infinity. I'm willing to die if it means I kill my enemies. Got no time for them bitches at the bottom. The boys with the tools, man, you know that we got them. Chicago stands up. Put your hands up if some fools coming through, then you better man up. Your targets are expired, your rhymes are retired. If you really want to live, then you better come inside.
Take me to the swamp meet. Now, what is it you have to do that's so involved?
Work, Grandma. I got work.
Oh, you got a job now. Well, why you didn't tell
It's not
me?
like that, Grandma.
Oh, I see. It's not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug.
Come on, Grandma.
Bedbug doesn't even mean anything.
Yeah, it does. It means I'm a player.
What?
A bed bug can get into any lady's bed.
That's disgusting. Oh, I raised you better than that.
Yeah, I'm on way. I gotta go, Grandma. Love you.
Yeah, I love you too, even though you're a damn fool.
Let's see what dirt I can dig up on you. If all goes well, you'll never see it coming.
Good? Yeah, B, let's roll. Why's Iraq doing all this? Their walls is some crazy fuck who wants what they got. Eyes and ears in every house. You know what they're selling and you know what they're buying. You control it. Anybody step out of line, they're gonna hand them to you. So you gonna put in a good word for me or what? I don't know, man. Well, shut up. I wanna be a shot caller, dude. Come on. I'll try your ass wherever you wanna go. Always on time, too, B. Never let you down, not even once, son. True, but that's why I want to keep you where you are. Now, listen up, for real. You want to move up? I ain't supposed to say nothing, but I've been moving weight up in Parker Square. I'll talk to him. He might be able to cut you in. Damn, B, not so loud. Damn, man, they expecting trouble? Looks like Iraq locking everything down. So what are we, babysitters? No, soldiers, fam. Remember when flying this crew disappeared? Yeah, they stepped out of line. Iraq put him down himself. I know, because I helped him bury the body.
Man, don't say that shit out loud, son. You know your fan paranoid about that shit getting back to him?
I'll say whatever I want. What? Are you paranoid too?
Only when I'm around your ass, fam.
There. That's the blackmail I'm after. Rack hears this little gem and Bedbug will be buried in a landfill.
Thanks, man. You watch yourself.
Always, do be.
Locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
You have the right to suck my dick.
Man, you nuts.
You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Better stop woofing, cuz. Respect the law.
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom.
Got the cards?
Yeah, B.
Pin numbers too?
Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut?
Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me.
Yo, check it. Big B's on the move.
Sup, V's? May I talk to Lil Juice?
Why, yes, you may.
Alone?
Mother, may I? Fuck me, man.
Making a round? Yup. Fixing to drive over. What do you think? Expect anything?
No, and it sounds like the club don't trust Iraq no more.
Good. Because they'll be dealing with me soon. When I call the shots, I remember what you done. Rabbit, what's up?
That's something you want to hear, bub. Trust me.
So, tell me.
Not here, fam. It's me. You got that dough on you?
Always. Why?
No, this gonna cost you. But it's worth it. Trust me.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
What the fuck is going on? Nothing, B. We just playing.
Yeah, I see that. Now, you're supposed to be keeping a fucking eye out. That's what you're supposed to be doing. And you want me to call Iraq and tell him you fools could have let somebody inside?
Ain't nobody got past, B. Got the whole crew out. This place is tight.
Better be. Better be. Alright, talk.
Look, I want 500 for what I know.
What the fuck you know that's worth that much cash?
Because you ain't got much time unless you pay up now, fam.
Oh, you gonna threaten me? You don't fuck with me, man. You think Iraq won't hear about this, man? What's wrong with you?
Oh, dude. Iraq? Serious? Iraq is your fucking problem.
I mean, tell me what you know. This better be good.
Look, it's simple. They gonna call you down to the bricks, and then they gonna kill you.
That's bullshit, man.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing, man? Come on, fam. Come on, talk.
What the fuck? River's stealing from Iraq. You see that motherfucker? Shoot him. I'm out, V's. Do this right.
Guy who just saved your ass. And I can do a lot more if you cooperate. What are the bricks?
Look, just get me out of here, man, and I'll tell you.
All right, pay attention.
I wanna die, man.
All ready to roll. Now you get him to the brick factory, my boys, and kill him quick. And I know he's a friend, so this is a test. You do what I ask, and you'll get a reward.
Shit. Iraq's put a kill command on Bedbug. I need to show up in this place and deal with these guys. These foot soldiers don't mean anything to Iraq, but a weak link is no place in a gang. I've seen this happen to a few guys. They don't pull their weight and they get torn down hard. But if Bedbug can survive it, show he's got what it takes, Iraq won't just save face, he'll embrace the kid. Show him off.
Good timing. Your sweetheart Maurice was just moaning at me. Says you got it all wrong. He's a patsy. He was set up. Whine, wah, wah, wah. Hey, you mind if I drill a couple of rounds into his kneecaps?
Yeah, I mind.
You're so predictable. See if I do you a favor again.
Actually,
You need a favor.
I'm setting up an ambush. I need you to bring me some explosives. Can you do that?
I can do anything. Do I want to do it is the question. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, yes. You know what? This is great. Yeah, let me round up the boys and I'll meet you there.
Welcome back to Power Profiles. We're profiling Lucky Quinn. With Chicago's long criminal history, it didn't take Lucky Quinn long to see where the real money was.
I knew some, what you call mobsters, yeah. I met a few in my time, and I guess I did get into some trouble. But young rebellious man doesn't.
And it was that rebellion that saw him cross paths with the law numerous times.
Do you know how I got my nickname? I was a young man here in Chicago. We finished busting a union run. We did a lot of those back then. We were ambushed. Gangland hit. And one of the attackers was firing directly at me. Again and again. I marched right to him, shot him dead. And one of his bullets grazed my ear. The rest of the party was killed. I've been lucky ever since.
Remarkably, Quinn was acquitted of any charges due to a self-defense claim. We're going to take a quick break. Stay tuned.
Hey, what is that?
Come around back and find out. I told you. He's bringing the boys.
Ah, Jesus. I thought you meant the explosives.
Then I would have said I was bringing the girls. But I brought that too. No, I need some help. I was hoping you could involve these guys in a gangland shooting of some sort. I got a few loose ends I need to tie up, and, you know, you do owe me those favors.
I don't owe you anything. Now give me the explosives, something I can carry.
Fine. These two nutsacks are some unfinished business from a Gabonese job. You should have seen the way that they tried to take me out. I am driving this beast of a muscle car right out of the 70s. You know when an automobile accident was still called a fucking car crash?
Let's go.
Yeah, so these geniuses here think they're gonna ram me off the road with some plastic, eco-friendly shitbug. It just makes this weird ping and bounces off into a parked van. Here, hold that.
Great.
Thanks. This is what I have for you. It's a sticky bomb. See? It sticks. Cool, huh? So these two idiots are sitting in their car moaning and whining. They're all fucked up. I don't know whether to laugh at them or scream at them. Finally, I just pulled out my .45 and slammed a couple of rounds into their fat faces. So that's what I have. You
way.
We could just do that. Do that. Yeah, it's like a practice round. What do you think, fellas? Practice round?
Jordy, I don't need a practice round.
No, just let me get a little clearer.
Jordy! Fuck. Rep goes up, and then he's mine. It's abandoned. They must keep security cameras running.
Iraq's got the V's split into two groups. We're the ones out running this shit, and we only got two ways out. In a box or under locks. There's fans up there on the top floor. Got an escape plan. They're keeping all the money and the secrets. I don't give a fuck about what happens to any of us. I need to get in on that.
Pierce, you didn't blow yourself up.
Not yet. Just trying to figure out where these guys meet so I can have some surprises waiting for them.
Ooh, booby traps, fun.
Still have time.
I ain't quality control. This ain't my problem. What the? I wonder who can fix this.
Brings me that motherfucker.
Ain't nobody shoot that at the rush. I want them found.
Damn, I don't see shit here. I'll check that way. Eyes open.
I got nothing. Go no more.
I'll look over there. Watch it, man.
Man, he's long gone. What John did? Stay in your car, player.
Yo, don't let your guard down. What the fuck? Right.
Find that bitch, go. Heads up, B. Find him and put a clip in it. Don't take no chances.
Shit, find him. No way we are losing this pussy. Find him, nothing, dog.
Don't see shit here.
Let's go.
I'll check that way.
Eyes open. Watch it, man. Careful. That shit over here. I'm moving on. I got nothing. Gonna move on. Watch your back.
Hold on.
That shit.
The smarter it is, the more it's a piece of shit. I'm counting on it.
Shit, careful. Get in there and get that bitch. Got shit over here. Nothing here. Moving on. Watch out, B! Heads up, B! No way we are losing this pussy. Fine.
Hey, man, we need more dudes. I need some AA assistance. Now! Hey, we here, V's. Shit, back them up.
Don't see a damn shit here. I'll check that way. Watch it, man. Fucking around. Over there. That's... Watch out! I got nothing. Gonna move on. Yo, he got a scope on him. Am I tripping? What is that?
Yo, dog, we falling off out here. Nah, man, we gonna need help, man.
Don't see a damn thing. I look over there.
Damn, I don't see shit here. I'll check that way.
Let's do this, baby.
Don't see a damn thing. Got fuck all over here.
We killed him, God.
All right, that's enough. We ain't gonna find him.
Stay up, dog.
Oh shit, is he? Oh shit. Yo, find that bitch. Find him and put a clip in him. Don't take Stay low, V. Can't holler.
friends can't come to the phone right now. They're dead.
The fuck? Hey, who's still standing? Anybody? Come on, man.
He's getting away. He'll report to Iraq. Bedbug's as good as dead. I just bought Bedbug the reputation he always wanted.
Mr. Beast, nobody comes through here. I'm on the way.
Why'd you hang up on me?
And what the fuck? Man, who are you?
Just another player. I had a job for you. But it's not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug. I'll be in touch.
Man, what is this? Come on, man!
But you know... Okay. Yeah. There's always one in the crowd.
Hey, somebody's after me. They're all dead. You gotta get me out of here.
You fucked in the head, man. Listen to you. No, that's...
No, wait!
That's bullshit.
Shit!
Okay, fine. Just fucking listen. All right then. No, that's what I'm saying. Yes. Okay. Yeah, right. Now listen.
Get in there.
What the fuck?
What about Iraq?
No, stop it!
Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me. No, Spellman.
What you want?
You're gonna be my eyes and ears inside Rossi Fremont.
No, wait, man. Iraq will kill me.
Yeah? What will he do when I send him everything I've got? You wanna see more?
No. Just erase this shit, please.
Well, you play along like a good little bug, and I will. I'll be in touch.
Don't worry about Iraq.